Let's learn to use commas accurately when writing direct speech.
Thieves have stolen the Mona Lisa painting.
In direct speech, when you write down what has been spoken first, it is called speech first. Thieves have stolen the Mona Lisa painting, the newsreader announced. When you write down what has been spoken second, it's called speech second. The newsreader announced, thieves have stolen the Mona Lisa painting. And if you split what has been spoken so that part of it is at the beginning and part of it is at the end, we call this split speech. Thieves, announced the newsreader, have stolen the Mona Lisa painting. Let's examine the commas in each of these formats very carefully. Speech first. Always begin your direct speech with a capital letter. Always end your sentence with a full stop. The comma goes in front of the speech mark to finish what has been spoken. Thieves have stolen the Mona Lisa painting, announced the newsreader. Speech second. Always begin your direct speech with a capital letter. Always end your sentence with a full stop. The comma goes after the saying verb and in front of the speech mark. The newsreader announced, thieves have stolen the Mona Lisa painting. Split speech. Always begin your direct speech with a capital letter. But as this is a continuous sentence, you don't need a capital letter on the H. Always end your sentence with a full stop. The first comma goes in front of the speech mark. The second comma goes after the saying verb. Once again, when you read it aloud, you'll notice the pauses caused by those commas. Thieves, the newsreader announced, have stolen the Mona Lisa painting. Prove that you've earned your badge by catching the comma criminal. I'm not the comma criminal, explained Marge. Ryan explained. I'm not the comma criminal. I'm not, Phyllis explained, the comma criminal. So who is the comma criminal?